long-awaited sweet chili dipping sauce. I know I've promised this in a couple videos. I figured I better get it out so you guys don't have to buy it at the store anymore. I got this recipe was from Hot Thai Kitchen. Pai recommends some chilies, but she also says any red chili will work. For the bulk of it, you'll need 1 cup of chopped red peppers. If you can get them at the Asian grocery, get the long spur chilies. Add just a little bit more flavor. So we'll put that in a blender. Sorry about banging that. Then we have 8 cloves of garlic smashed. I chopped it. And then our Thai chilies. You'll find these in most grocery stores in Canada. They'll come in a pack of about I think 10 or so. You're not going to use them all in one. Just take them out, put them in a baggie, put them back in, take what you need to use, put the rest in the freezer, leave them frozen. Today I pulled one about this size out, chopped it up from frozen, and they work great. I do this for all my chilies, jalapenos, everything. Okay. In here I have 1/3 cup of water and 3/4 cup of vinegar. I'm going to put a little in the blender so we can chop this up. I'm also going to put the salt in because it started dissolving, so we need 1.5 teaspoons. That will also help break things down. And that's, get the blender going. There we are. Now you don't want to blend this to a complete puree. You still want to have the little flakes of skin in there so you know it's a chili sauce. So we'll pour that in. Then I am going to use the rest of the liquid just to give my blender a quick clean. There, and get all the goodness out of it. Okay, done with that. Now to that we'll add a cup of sugar. I'm using a heat resistant spatula here. And we'll get it on the stove. So now we're going to bring this to a simmer. Let it reduce down just a touch. Okay, it's just come to a boil. Just keep it going slowly. Just let it cook off a little. Okay, so it's simmering away nicely. Just adjust your heat down because this can boil over. Smelling good. Garlic isn't smelling as raw. Okay, after you've simmered it for 5 minutes, we'll add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, blended with 2 tablespoons of water, and this will thicken our sauce. It won't be a super thick sauce when it's hot, but as it cools, it'll thicken. So just want to bring it back to the boil now. Yeah, there we go. We'll just take it. Leaves a line, just like with doing jams and jellies, leaves a line, doesn't flow back in. It's good to go. So that was 1 bell pepper, 1 chili pepper, a little sugar, a little vinegar, water, garlic. That is about the same as what a big bottle you buy in the grocery store for, I think, we've definitely made this for under $2. Hope you enjoy the recipe, and we'll see you later. Remember to like and subscribe. Thanks. Have a good day.